In August 1971, Stanford University's basement transformed. Psychologist Philip Zimbardo sought to understand power, recruiting healthy college students for a simulated prison. Roles, guard or prisoner, decided by a coin toss. The experiment's chilling start saw prisoners unexpectedly arrested at their homes by actual Palo Alto police. Fingerprinted, booked, and blindfolded, their real identities began to fade before they even reached the mock prison.
Upon arrival, they were stripped, deloused, and given uniforms, their names replaced by numbers. This initial phase was designed to disorient, stripping away individuality and fostering an immediate sense of powerlessness. The mock prison cells, stark and cold, became their new reality. Guards, quickly embracing their roles, began midnight counts, using whistles to reinforce hierarchy, establishing immediate, brutal control over the new inmates.
From day one, the experiment rapidly deteriorated. Prisoners, unexpectedly arrested, were stripped of their dignity and names, replaced by numbers. This immediate dehumanization set a chilling tone for the days that followed, blurring the lines of reality. By day 2, guards escalated their control. Early morning counts became tools of psychological torment, forcing prisoners to memorize numbers and follow arbitrary rules. It wasn't about security, it was about asserting absolute dominance. Inevitably, rebellion sparked. Prisoners ripped off numbers, insulted guards, a desperate cry for their humanity. This defiance, though fleeting, ignited the guards' darker impulses, transforming the simulation into a real-world struggle. Led by figures like John Wayne, guards retaliated brutally. Fire extinguishers, removed mattresses, and solitary confinement became their tools. This wasn't merely role-playing. It was a disturbing descent into genuine cruelty and authoritarian control. The psychological toll was immediate and severe. Prisoner 8612 suffered an acute breakdown, released after just 36 hours. His distress was a stark warning, but the experiment continued, intensifying the torment for those who remained. Days 3 and 4 saw further breakdowns. Prisoner 819's severe emotional distress led to his release, and another's hunger strike was met with the brutality of the whole. The environment was systematically crushing their spirits. Finally, on day 5, an outside perspective shattered the illusion. Christina Maslach, a psychologist and Zimbardo's girlfriend, witnessed the abuse and confronted him. Her moral outrage became the catalyst, bringing an end to the horrific experiment. By day 2, the psychological toll was undeniable. Prisoner 8612 experienced extreme distress, released after just 36 hours. The guards' oppressive tactics were profoundly effective. The abuse escalated. On day 4, prisoner 819 also broke down, released in severe emotional distress. Another prisoner's hunger strike was met with swift, harsh punishment. Zimbardo's girlfriend, Christina Maslach, visited on day 5. Horrified by the guards' escalating abuse, she confronted him directly, questioning the experiment's ethical foundation. Her intervention was crucial. On day 6, Zimbardo finally made the decision. The Stanford Prison Experiment, planned for 2 weeks, was terminated prematurely due to ethical concerns. The Stanford Prison Experiment became a landmark, a chilling look at power. But its legacy isn't as clear-cut as once believed. We're re-examining what truly happened, peeling back decades of accepted narrative. Crucially, Zimbardo's direct involvement shaped guard behavior, blurring researcher objectivity. Many participants later confessed to acting their parts, not genuinely succumbing to the situation. The experiment lacked fundamental scientific rigor and proper controls. Its true lessons lie not in inherent human evil, but in how easily narratives can shape public perception, even without robust evidence.